I'm John Kenny and welcome to the Gulbahar Cup, second T20 between Ireland and Afghanistan at Brady Cricket Club.
A lot of work to do. Gary Wilson will be Shahzad. He'll come firing.
Now that's pumped straight down the ground and that's 4. That's out.
Simi Singh, great job. Never got hold of it. Shahzad sliced off the outside edge. Big Boyd Rankin. Simple catch. Afghanistan 5 for 1.
Cries of catch it. Here comes George Dockrell and out.
Cramp Shenwari for room. No control. Fairly simple catch to George Dockrell, who's got a fantastic set of hands, pair of hands. Very rarely.
As I round the wicket again, and that's gone for 4. And I can hear the little anguish from Simi Singh. Bit of a helicopter shot. That's gone straight down the ground on the first maximum.
Asgard down the wicket. That's a fantastic shot. And it's clear the ropes over mid-off. That's very unlucky from George Dockrell. Bowled that beautifully. And it's been... That... again can have an effect. That is an extraordinary shot. Oh, that is huge. And again,
for success with more spin. Well, first ball maybe a loosener, and I guess the treatment straight down the ground.
After football and Gaelic.
And that's going to go over George Dockrell's head. Paul Sterling has been brought in to try and
be mainstream and hoping to, as you see, another huge 6.
Yeah. As soon as you say that, the previous ball was a dot ball. Sent. No need to look for that. Well, maybe you do. It's probably in the Foyle River. Oh, it's way in the air, but it's going to go over Boyd Rankin's head. He's not going to make that.
Dockrell persisting outside off stump, and for once the drag comes to an end. Zazai 82 with 7 sixes, 124 for 3.
Oh, that's a fantastic shot. And that's going to be 6 more. Again, nearly premeditated from Nabi there, nearly anticipated. And an easy cotton bowl there in the end for...
Yeah, pace off the ball, trying to slog sweep it. Top edge, nicely done. Afghanistan will keep swinging.
Oh dear. And again with third man up. And again, an easy catch in the deep there for Stuart Thompson. Will have a no ball or not, I'm not sure.
Bowlers.
And again, another wicket. 149 now for 7.
Just a bounce again, hitting Rashid Khan's splice of the... Rashid Khan gone without scoring, 149 for 7.
Oh, and that has been absolutely smashed square for... And that's in the air, going over extra cover. Very good catch from Andrew Balbirnie, who's possibly hurt himself. No, he seems okay.
Victory. And is that gone? That is gone. Looked like a bump ball originally.
Blow, full, little bit of swing. Paul Sterling didn't get it out of the middle. Simple catch.
That's catchable. Is he going to catch it? Yes, he is. As I said, didn't look comfortable. Have perished.
Stuart Thompson went straight, didn't get anywhere near the middle. Mohamed Nabi made a good Majib in the act. Thompson gone for 3. Ireland 8 for 2.
Trying to work themselves back into this match once again. Is that gone? It is gone.
Catch back to Majib, who had to just evade William Porterfield. I think William Porterfield did his best to make. He's gone for naught. Didn't trouble the scorers. Ireland 9 for 3.
And again.
Trash to the offside.
And again, piercing the field. Porterfield, that's a great shot. Again from
Explosive.
And that's a great shot by Porterfield. Last ball of the over for 6. Oh, that's a fantastic catch.
Again, the reverse sweep this time. Brilliant. Gets another wicket. Porterfield out for 33. 46 for 4.
Just as I said, Gary Wilson advances down
the World Cup qualifiers. That's high in the air. There's a man coming in at mid-wicket that should catch this one, and Kevin O'Brien has perished.
Dot ball, toe of the bat. He knew he was in trouble straight away. Straight up in the air, mid-wicket. Safe catch, safe pair of hands. Farid.
We're in the 10th over. Ireland 5 or 6 wickets. Oh, dear.
Single, I would have thought. He went very early. Clever from Nabi. Took out leg stump off the glove. Single for 0. Ireland 64 for 6.
A long time. As soon as I say that, he's bowled around his leg.
Skipper. Big heave to leg side. Rashid Khan, you miss 8. Gary Wilson goes for 22. Ireland
Stand enjoying themselves. That's gone.
British ball, Majib. Dockrell went back, pull shot. One of his favourite shots, but Shinwari.
Oh, it's in the air. Is there a fielder down there? It's not. That's a straight 6. Well done, Boyd Rankin. Well, I was talking him down as he came out. He's got up his sleeve now. Well, that's what he's got up his sleeve now.
Oh, it comes back strong. Beautiful leg spinner. Fast into the pitch for Boyd and for Ireland. He's gone for 7. 75 for 9.
Cries of catch. No, catch that. Like, yeah, it is boundary. All right, yeah.
Right.
Cries of catch it, and it is brilliantly taken as well to end the Irish innings at 79, all out. Peter Chase lasted just 3 deliveries.
9 in the 15th over. Bundled out for 79. A lot of head scratching in the Ireland camp.
And that's how the match has ended today. Afghanistan 160 for 8, having won the toss, put themselves into bat. Zazai top scored 82 as he did the other day. Peter Chase 3 for 35, good from him in his 4 overs, but sad card from Ireland. Only Porterfield and Wilson getting into double figures. And in the end, Afghanistan won by 81 runs and lead the series by 2 games to 0. They've won it now with 1 game to go.